Hey guys, how are you? This is another video uh, on Google Earth Engine. Today I will show you the best uh, supervised classification video on YouTube, by which anyone can easily understand how the Earth Engine supervised classification works. This is a fantastic video. Let's search this video on YouTube. Just write Geo for Good 2019. If you search this video, you see that the first video, Geo for Good 2019 Earth Engine classification and regression. You also get this code from this uh, lecture.
So it sounds like what you're trying to do is to add.
If you show from beginning, then you will get the repository link from that particular images. So far it's a wonderful learning things on supervised classification. It's really helpful. I hope that anyone who have the problem to understand supervised classification on Google Earth Engine, especially JavaScript coding, you can follow this course.
Do the classification.
Thank you very much.